Scanning UDP ports. UDP port scanning is not an easy task as UDP uses for broadcasting. It's a connection-less protocol and you won't expect any response from the services. Some services respond with the data but with the specially crafted packets. Nmap has an argument of -su to perform a UDP port scanning. UDP port scanning can be done or identified using the following mechanism. The specific table shows that how the response is expected. According to Nmap, when Nmap find any response from the target, it will going to flag that specific port as a open. When the no response received, the specific port can be either open or a filter. Consider that there is a firewall which is blocking that specific packet, and that's why Nmap considered as open or filtered. ICMP port unreachable error, it will going to close as a close. Other ICMP unreachable error will also considered under filter. The specific code as a T which will going to flag as a closed, and yeah, let's take it practically. I have already started a server running on port number 9001. Along with that, I'll start my listener for the UDP port. Let's take it further. I already have started or running a service on port number 1. The specific port is marked as open as the destination returned with some kind of data. It returned with the hello UDP client as you can see in the UDP stream. The first source has sent normal UDP packet. In return, it found a response, and as shown in that table, it will going to flag it as a open. Let's take another service to find the same. For this, I'll be choosing port number 161 to identify the same. I'll restart my scanning or packet capturing through a Wireshark. Let's take it further. Here, the SNMP service is shown as open and filter. Let's modify the filter for 161 port. As you see here, source tried to send a packet to the destination. Again, source tried to send another packet to destination. However, there is no response from the destination. Here, it flagged as open and filtered as shown in the table which we have shown here. Let's take another example for the closed port. I'll be randomly using any port because I know that, yeah, that specific port must be closed. So let's take it further. I'll be removing filter and adding another filter for port number 1611. Let's start the scan with Nmap. Here, the specific port is marked as a closed, and To identify any closed port and its state, I'll be choosing port number 1611. I'm already aware that the specific port is closed, so let's scan it further. Here, the source tried to send a packet or a UDP packet to the destination. The destination returned with the ICMP error code. And as shown in the table, if there is any ICMP error code specific to the 3, it will going to show as a closed. I'm getting a response with the specific packet. As you can see here, the port state is marked as a closed.